Okay, so it is Thursday pre-market. It's just under a minute, 40 odd seconds till the opening bell. This is the Facebook trade from yesterday. Facebook was around 127. I sold into a 135, 140 call spread. Also a 115, 110 put spread. It's highlighted by the marks here. Didn't get very much credit for the puts. I got 50 and 13. At the time I was trying to get a fill, it was 45 and 25, but that's what I got. Here's the opening bell. You can see IV of 84.47. I've sold it in this week's expiration at 84. Calls are already worthless. They're telling me the puts are 24 cents. So I'm losing 10 cents per contract on the puts currently. IV of 73. IV rank is 87% still, so that's still elevated. Should see these prices adjusted shortly. What have we got? Market last 0, 10 and 8, 11, 7. IV's still high at 73%. IV rank is still 87%. There we go. IV rank of 67%. You can see down here they've dropped it to normal. IV is normalized at 38%. That is now worth 5 cents. And that is eBay's opening bell. I would expect, with the puts being at 6 cents, I would expect the puts to roll right off to 1 cent to 0 within the next sort of 10-15 minutes. IV is fairly normal. I would say that's not too bad. What do we got? VIX is looking like it's going to sell off. I'm really needing the markets to rally today. Yesterday, Amazon wasn't very nice. It's getting a bit close for comfort. But anyway, this is about Facebook. As you can see, no need to guess the direction. No need for me to, worry. Is it going up? Is it going down? I was above all-time highs. Now, as long as it stayed between the 135 and the 115, I make maximum profit. As you can see, it's half a penny and 0.3, so 3 pennies, 3 cents per contract, and half a cent. Dropping now to 2. Okay, so this is 4 minutes into the opening bell. Go on a 1 minute chart. So on a 1 minute chart, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, we're now in the 5th minute of the market, or approaching the 5th minute. It's actually 4.5 minutes in. If I put my mouse on there at the bottom of the screen, you can see it's 9:34 candle. Still 3.5 cents. This calls have crept up to 1 cent. That's all good. I would imagine that these could possibly even be 1 cent for the day. They expire tomorrow afternoon. They expire this Friday. So they are November week 1 options. So what's just happened? Well, I've sold the calls for 50 cents, as you can see over here. You can see bid ask is 1 and 3. It's not really going to matter too much what the market does to the upside, as long as it doesn't drop too much to the downside. These will be just fine. You know, $5, $6, $7 out of the money now. So it's a fairly substantial amount. It would take, let's pop a bit of this on. It would take a lot of movement. I mean, that's a 2 standard deviation move, a 1.25, 1.5. So it's going to be about a 3 standard deviation move to the downside just to catch it out. As you can see, it's almost worthless per contract. 3 cents and 1 cent, 4 cents, 1 cent. So we're definitely well into the single digits, not much remaining. If I drop this down, see there, that's my 115 point. So a pretty safe trade at the moment as of right now. Yeah, it looks pretty much all over for it. We'll monitor it for the rest of the day and see how it pans out tomorrow, but it looks like it's all over on a daily basis, on a daily chart. You know, I've got the support levels. Let's just get rid of this. Zoom in a bit just briefly before I stop this video. Zooming out, rolling out, dum 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 dum. It looks like we're going to be holding this support level through here. So, yeah, there it is. That is the outcome of my Facebook trade. A 50 cent credit on the calls and a horrible 13 cents on the puts. Nearly maximum profit, and it's almost 10 minutes into the day. IV is 36%, IV rank 66. This is Facebook. Thanks for watching.